Hey guys, we are back again with another video, and this time it is Guess Who? Jackson Wang G Bad number 5 mix video, and it is also official music video. So let's get going. And right off the bat, it is a very 90s kind of vibe giving off. So I'm very excited.
Retro look, guys.
Yeah, complete
They look
retro.
dapper.
It's like they're mafia bosses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
I do actually.
Yeah. Actually, when you are being nice for way too long, you just wanna be dick sometimes. It's really the truth.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, people will take advantage of you.
Yeah,
And
man.
you need to make sure when
And
you are.
you need to say no.
And also the thing is that you need to make sure that there is a balance when you are being a dick because somebody else is being a dick, but don't be a dick when somebody else is not being a dick. That's right off the bat completely disgusting.
I really love the fact that
And
it's
some
it's a
people
nice
are just
thing to do.
and some people are just dick people.
Yeah.
That's a different thing, but it's okay to be dick sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm saying dick too much, way too much.
Let's play.
Yeah, YOLO guys, you only
YOLO.
live once.
Take some time.
It's great. Just gotta be a dick sometimes.
Oh, look
I
at
love
it.
their look, man. I got that too. Wait,
Wait, guys.
Can you like
Okay.
just
Wait a minute.
just
Wait a minute. She got it. She got
just a
same
minute,
time.
just a minute.
So the whole reaction video will
Just a minute, guys. Just a
will
minute.
wear glasses.
I needed to
Okay.
do that because from top to the middle portion I'm dressed nicely, but after that I'm not dressed nicely. It's just clothing that I wear in
Yeah.
house, so I can't show you. But
Okay,
yeah,
look, guys.
yeah.
Let's go.
Just gotta
Let's
be
play.
a dick sometimes.
You wanna be a dick sometime. What? Ooh, this
Yeah.
looks good.
Yeah, because my sunglasses do not have power. Like
Power.
I didn't do that.
They are doing this.
So I
and
need to
I
watch
love
it. So I'm just using this over this so that I can see. You know, just put on this.
Ooh,
And this-
what?
Okay, wait. I need to see.
Okay. Ooh,
Oh, what?
What a look, guys! What a look!
Honestly, I love their look. Honestly, I love their look,
Yeah,
and also they look really beautiful.
yeah.
And
They're pretty.
also their sense, like the way they edited this video, it looks completely
Yeah,
right
man.
out a 90s TV
I
show.
love it.
So yeah, they are looking like looking like the mafia bosses, you know. And how do I look? With
You
two
look
glasses.
cool, man.
With two glasses. One is a glass, another is a sunglass, and I need both.
Let's say. Woo! Oh!
Ooh, I love
So
it. Life
good.
is
They are having
great.
good time
Just
together.
gotta be a dick
Just
sometimes.
Yeah.
Life is great.
they are
Just gotta
having
be
good
a
time
dick
together.
sometimes.
That's really important, guys.
Yeah, if you have
Yeah.
friends, go spend some time with your
Quality
friends.
time with your friends.
Yeah. Just say, like, if you work in an office, just say that you were sick. Way too sick, man. just you just fell off the porch or something. You just slipped on the like.
Don't
Say
do it.
something like you are not coming to office that day
Yeah.
and just spend time. It's spontaneous, it's gonna be good. And trust me, guys, if you don't take those leaves, like medical leaves, those are gonna go away. It's like that they're gonna go away. Just go to a doctor and say
Yeah.
something happened, like your back hurts too much.
Yeah.
They will give you some diagnosis, trust me. Even if you don't need it, they will give you maybe some painkillers. That too works. They just need a prescription. So you
Yeah.
just need to go to a doctor and say, I have this back pain. Can you solve it? Yeah, and they will give you a
That's
prescription.
it.
Trust me. And if they don't find anything, they will just give you some
Yeah.
painkillers for sure. So just you don't need to. anything. So you just say, yeah, right, I see this prescription office. Yeah, see this prescription HR. Just look at this. I'm sick. I can't move. Doctor
Yeah.
told me to do bed rest. They don't know. They don't need to know. You go out, hang out with friends, have some drinks, chill together, and that's all you gotta do. Sometimes you gotta take those medical leaves. It's important. I did that too. It works. It does works. Yeah. Even I made my own prescription, guys. Like I searched like normal viral fever, yeah, I searched the scientific name of those viral fevers and wrote diagnosis of viral fever, and they thought something really bad happened because it's a scientific name of for viral fever. Like you are coughing, and if you search for coughs scientific name, that is scary looking word. That is a scary looking word. You just write it down, and yeah, you have that diagnosis. Bro, it's that simple. Sometimes just do take those medical leaves,
Yeah,
bro.
man.
You gotta
Let's
take
play now.
those. Yeah, sorry. Way out of the topic, but
Yeah.
yeah. Dick sometimes. It's great. Just gotta be a dick sometimes. Life is great. You only live once.
Whoa!
Oh, bro, yeah.
So good.
Ooh,
This is good.
ooh la la.
Whoa, dude! This is good. Whoa. Love it. I love it.
Just gotta be a dick sometimes.
That,
Just gotta be a dick sometimes.
oh, that look, guys. Killer look.
My wrist.
Oh,
Don't fuck up my. Okay, they in the subtitle.
yeah.
They blurred it, like they starred it. Look.
Okay.
Yeah, wait, look. I will show you. Just focus on the subtitle,
Yeah.
okay? Yeah, don't fuck him up. And they started, but I will exactly tell you
I
what the
love
word
the-
is. I love it. I love debugging.
I love the lyrics actually. They put lot of effort on
Yeah,
that.
yeah, I love that. They
Really
didn't put a
cool.
lot of effort. They're
They're
just
cool.
no, they were just really fucked up by the working society,
Yeah,
I
I
guess. And they're like, just gotta be a dick
Dick
sometimes. Yesterday, I with one of our friend, you guys maybe know him. It's Subodip. So we three
Yeah.
were out in
Yeah.
in a like
Cozy place.
no, not
cozy
cozy.
place.
It's a pond kind of area,
Yeah,
where fishes go around, and there is a
Yeah.
like place where you can sit and chat together.
Yeah,
And we were
nice
sitting
place
there. Yeah,
to
nice place too.
visit,
And
actually.
during the golden hour time, we
Yeah.
were sitting there. A lot of wind was like there was a lot of breeze. Okay,
Yeah.
so we were sitting there chatting about like not chatting, but face to face chatting. Yeah. We did that for like about 1 hour or
1
so,
hour,
mostly about more than that, and
more
it
than
was
that,
good. It was
I
good.
think.
Like you need to have those chats with your
Yeah,
friends
it's a
now
good
and then.
chat actually about
It's
life,
necessary.
about our problem in our life, all of the situation, and we just talking about that, and we just realizing something
like
good.
when we talk to you, yeah, those two
Yeah.
are important. Okay, those
That
two
really
are
matter
important
to us
because-
actually.
yeah, actually.
Share our feeling with each other.
and that's why
really
we do
important.
this kind of commentary things,
Yeah.
It's good. It opens up a lot of perspectives that we don't go through a lot, and it's important.
But
Guys.
sometime you're gonna be a dick sometime. Woo, guys.
Keep around me, still
Keep
get
about
without
me.
me. Things you say about me, I guess I'm still topic of
Okay.
discussion.
They're
Do you
all
like
are
how
calling their
this-
bosses actually.
Yeah. Yeah, look, I told you. You gotta tell them you were sick. You can't come. You have a lot of
They did that.
problems.
They
They
did
just
that.
did that.
To
They are just doing
spending
that.
they are now spending a quality time. That's
Yeah,
why.
yeah. That's why they're just calling. Yeah, look, boss. I can't make it. I'm gonna be dead. Maybe I have. Just say the scientific name of fever, and I have this. I forgot the name actually. I wrote it,
Yeah.
but then I forgot. Yeah, I made my own prescription from a like. Okay, I photoshopped it. Simple. I photoshopped the diagnosis. Simple.
Dude, what you saying?
I resigned from this place. They can't do anything to me.
Let's play.
Yeah, I photoshopped it. Simple. Or even if you don't know Photoshop, that's fine. Just go to Canva. It's that simple. There are
It's
so
really
many
simple thing.
there are so many templates. Guys, I'm telling you a lot of good things. If you listen to this, trust me, you won't have to ask for leave application next time. You will just get instant leave
Yeah.
from the medical leave that your company
You can
pays
do
you,
that
gives you.
stuff.
Yeah. And those company medical leaves are free and paid. So yeah, you know what to do. Ooh, just gonna be a dick sometime. Life is great. Be a dick sometimes.
Ooh, they are wearing glasses, so I am wearing glasses also.
Be a dick sometimes. Life is great. Just gotta be a dick sometimes.
What a cool song, guys! This made my day actually. What a song!
I love it.
We just
I love it.
reacting to the video song, but we did audio song reaction, but it's really good.
I love the video. I
love
love
it.
the video.
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. And also with the caption, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Thank you so much.
pretty much.
You made my day. And
Yeah.
also, gotta be a dick
Dick sometimes.
sometimes.
So
Just do
subscribe.
it. Just do it. Take
Because
a leave.
they're cool.
Okay, send this to your friends and tell them this is the whole plan,
Yeah.
and you all take the leave. Okay,
Yeah.
for tomorrow. Don't send this to your boss, but send this to your friends and take a leave tomorrow and go out together and have some good chat. Maybe you won't be frustrated anymore. Just trust me on this and do
Yeah.
it. I'll see you tomorrow, and you can tell me on the comment section how was your day
Yeah, you
after
can
taking
do
the
that.
leave. You can do that. Just do it. Just do it. Don't think about it. Just do it. Okay. I hope you guys do not work at the same place, and even if you do, you still have we got into an accident. We were together. We
That's
got into
really
an
fun,
accident.
man.
Yeah, it's fun. Just do it. Trust me on this. Do it. Bye.